Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today is my first video making on sustainable development goal. In this sustainable development goal, what is sustainable development goal? What is target, indicator? We will see now. Firstly, the background of the sustainable development goal comes from the meeting of Rio de Janeiro conference in September 2012. And later on at the historic UN General Assembly Summit in September 2015, the 2030 Agenda for Sustainable Development was adopted by 193 members country. The SDG have mainly 169 target and 247 indicators. The Sustainable Development Goal is a bold universal agreement to end poverty, to bring climate justice. Different kinds of justice, different kind of dimension can be included in this for people, planet, and their prosperities. And then the Sustainable Development Goal is a bold universal agreement to end poverty, to bring climate justice. Different kinds of justice, different kind of dimension can be included in this for people, planet, and their prosperities. And then main focus is on goal number 1 of SDG. SDG goal number 1 talk about in poverty in all its form everywhere. So by 2030 we have to eradicate extreme poverty. And its second point talks about by 2030 reduce at least by half of the population, men and women, $1.25 according to the definition of national definition of their country. Let's see goal number 2. Talk about SDG zero hunger, end hunger, achieve food security, and improve nutrition and promote sustainable agriculture. By 2030 in SDG we have to end hunger and ensure access by all people, in particular poor and people vulnerable situation. Second goal can be called as by 2020 we have to end all form of malnutrition, including achieving by 5 years earlier an international agreed target of stunning and wasting. We have to substantially reduce the number of deaths and illness in the hazardous chemical activities. And in its second focus can be called as substantially we have to increase the health financing and the requirement development and training retention of the health workforce in developing country, especially at least developed country and small island developing nation as well as states. Start. Goal number 5 talk about gender equality of SDG. In this we will see achieve gender equality in all women and girls. In this United Nations mainly focus in all form of discrimination against all women and girls each and everywhere, and eliminate all harmful practices such as child rearing and forced marriage of female and genital mutilation. Let's see goal number 6. Goal number 6 of SDG talks about clean water and sanitation. In this United Nations focus mainly on ensure availability and sustainable management of water and sanitation for all. In this United Nations also we target by 2030 achieve universal and equitable access, safe and affordable of water. And in this we also get by 2020 we have to protect and restore water related ecosystem, including mountain water, forest related water, or river, aquifer or lakes. SDG goal number 7 talks about affordable and clean energy. In this we will target to achieve before 2020 we have to ensure universal access to affordable, reliable and modern energy. But now let's say goal number 6. Goal number 6 of SDG talks about clean water and sanitation. In this United Nations focus mainly on ensure availability and sustainable management of water and sanitation for all. In this United Nations also we target by 2030 achieve universal and equitable access, safe and affordable of water. And in this we also get by 2020 we have to protect and restore water related ecosystem, including mountain water, forest related water, or river, aquifer or lakes. SDG goal number 7 talks about affordable and clean energy. In this we will target to achieve before 2020 we have to ensure universal access to affordable, reliable and modern energy, but not only by the traditional use of not only of the traditional energy, but also the new kind of energy that are exploring in all over the world, like geothermal energy as well as solar energy. And by 2020 we have to increase substantially the share of renewable energy in the global energy mix. By 2030 we have to double the global rate of improvement of energy efficiency. Let's see the SDG goal number 8 target. In this, we will see decent work and economic growth. United Nations said that we have to sustain per capita economic growth in accordance with national circumstances, and in particular at least 7% GDP product and at least for the developed country. By 2030, we have to achieve full productive and employment and decent work for all women and men, including for young people and personal disabilities, and equal pay for work and equal value. Let's say the SDG goal number 9. Goal number 9 of SDG talks about industry, innovation, infrastructure. That can also be called as I3. In this, we have to develop quality, reliable, sustainable, and resilient infrastructure. In this, we have to also promote inclusive and sustainable industrialization, and by 2030, as you know. In this, we have to also increase the access of a small-scale industrial and other enterprises, in particular in developing countries, as well as for the country to financial services, including affordable credit and their integration. Let's see the goal number 10 of SDG. This talk about reduce inequalities among countries. By 2030, we have to progressively achieve and sustain income growth of the bottom 40% of the population at a rate of higher than national population average. By 2030, we have to also empower and promote social, economic, and political inclusion of all, irrespective of their caste, creed, sex, religion, origin, economic, and other status. Let's see the goal number 11 of SDG. This talk about sustainable cities and communities. In this, United Nations has given the time framework within by 2030 ensure access for all to educate, safe and affordable housing and basic services to upgrade excellence. By 2030, it also has to enhance inclusive and sustainable urbanization and capacity for participatory integration and sustainable human settlement planning and management for in all countries. Let's see goal number 12 of SDG. Goal number 12 of SDG talks about sustainable consumption and production. In this, we have a 11 target and 13 indicator. In this, we have to by 2030 achieve the sustainable management and efficient use of natural resources. By 2030, substantially reduce waste generation through prevention and reduction, recycling and reuse by the let's see the SDG goal number 13. 13 goal number talks about sustainable consumption and production. In this, we have a 5 target and 6 indicator. In this, United Nations given has us to integrate climate change measures into national policies and strategies and planning. In this, we have to also improve our education, awareness, raising and human institutional capacity as well as resource in the terms of climate change mitigation, adaptation, as well as for the impact of reduction. Let's see goal number 5 of SDG. Goal number 14 of SDG talk about life below water. In this, we have a 10 target as well as 10 indicators. We have to in this work on marine water. Especially in the marine water, we have to find our life because the earth is very small and our population is day by day increasing with tremendous pace, and we have to work on that. Let's say the goal number 15 of SDG. Goal number 15 of SDG talk about life on land. In this, we have a 12 target and 14 indicator. In this, United Nations has given us time to work on this. By 2030, we have to combat desertification, restore degraded land and so on, including land affected areas, achieve all land degradation neutral world. By 2030, we have to also conserve our mountain ecosystem, either including by biodiversity, in order to enhance their capacity and provide benefit that are essential for sustainable development. Let's see goal number 16 of SDG. This talk about peace, justice and strong institution to build up. In this, we have a 12 target and 23 indicator. In this, we have to promote peaceful environment, inclusive societies for sustainable development, provide access to justice for all kind, and build effective and accountable and inclusive institutions at all levels. Okay. Let's see the goal number 17 of SDG. This talk about partnership for the goals. In this, we have a 17 target and 25 indicator. In this, United Nations said that strengthen the means of implementation and utilize the global partnership of sustainable development.